Hi guys, and today I'm playing Hello Neighbor Alpha 2. And you guys sent me to play this, and you guys wanted. Well, not wanted one person. Anita, and I don't know what she said. I don't know if she put space or she wanted to go into action. I think so, yeah. So we are playing Hello Neighbor Alpha 2. The real one, it's 2018. So give me Hello Neighbor. It's a new game, and there is new code to the Xbox, and just play it now. It's really fun. If you don't have an Xbox, then play it on your computer. If you don't have a really good computer, then play this. It's good. It's good, but if you don't have enough money, then sorry, mate. Sorry. It's like 20. I think it's like $30. I don't know. Hey, I am in it. I saw poo. I saw poo emoji. Keys and the beneath the mailbox. Ah! I found the key that's under the mailbox. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. This game is weird. So yes. I got it actually. I don't know. Here's the key. Let's pick it up. You guys, loads of people actually played this. So like, the person who wanted me to play this was Trinita, my friend. Forgive me. I forgive me three times. Oh, I don't care. I'm still a YouTuber. Alright, my hair looks cool anyway. I've seen most people play this game before, so I'm playing this. Do you hear that sound? Do you hear gun shooting? Yes, Titty's playing a gun game. Yeah, a gun game. I've got this open, guys. Alright. Forgive me doing that. Oh my gosh. If you guys have seen this game, make sure you can play it. Yeah, just tell your mom and dad, the parents, and you can go like this game is just like. Oh my gosh. So guys, I'll just talk about Hello Neighbor. So this game you need to sneak into his house, and you need to find all the secrets and get into the basement. You need to put on a card, a key. In the other way, you see me play the story, but I'm playing the real game on computer. So you guys see that oh guys, look. Hello Neighbor sneaking up. Hey neighbor, don't forget to reach out to people. Who broke the window? Okay. What? Oh. What did you say? I'm playing Hello Neighbor on YouTube. Do you have poop in your hands? Oh, yeah. See ya! See you later. Nobody will. You know you're supposed to not read the newspaper. I told you! Why did you not read the newspaper? Ah, stupid. You're stupid. You're stupid. Oh. Go, 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 go. Hello. It's me. 20 years old. Oh no. There we go. Hey neighbor, you see that to the end? Oh, it's not that to him. Must be old shit, you know. That's nice. Ooh. How's the neighbor in there, but what's the two neighbors? I get it, there was two neighbors. So guys, that was Hello Neighbor story. You guys need me to play this, so I'll play some more of it tomorrow. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. And what are you guys doing? And I'll see you next time. Good. Bye. Play this.